my dear friends, and welcome back to Learning is Fun. Today we are back with a new video called Feel and Explore. But before we go into this video, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe for more fun content, especially if you have a baby and you're looking for some activities that can be done at home. Today we will learn to help our children explore the sense of touch. Yes, we are going to teach our children today about the sense of touch, and for that we have to make some texture boxes. Now texture boxes are basically to help the children feel and touch the textures that we are going to show them. The next segment I will show you how we can make these texture boxes by using household articles like bubble wrap, sandpaper, sponge, cotton, and few more items. Texture that I want to show you is this. Now this, when Johnny is touching it, you can hear that there is a noise, right? Now this shows that this is a rough surface. It's not smooth, it's rough. Okay, this is rough. Let's see another texture. This texture I call the leafy texture. It also, there is some noise to it too, okay? But this noise also, it's not smooth, it's not fine, ekdam straight nahi hai na, it's still rough, okay? But we call it the leafy structure. Then we have another structure that I call bumpy. Let's check bumpy. Does bumpy make sound? Bumpy also has a sound, right? I'll show you some more examples of bumpy on the screen. Now moving on to the next one. This is called frizzy or fuzzy texture. You can see it looks like cotton, but it's more frizzy, it's more rough. Then we have a very beautiful texture known as lace. Now lace is a smooth texture. It's very smooth and silky. What's the meaning of smooth? Smooth means ki jahan koi bumps na ho, it's straight and flat. Okay, smooth, like the table, it's smooth. Okay, some more examples of smooth are on your screen. You can see it. Now we have this is known as silk. Now silk is also very smooth. You can see it's very smooth. Okay, moving on to the next texture, we have, I'll let Johnny show you this texture. It's wrinkly. Can you see the wrinkles on this? It's like, you know, like old skin, jhuriya, like old skin it is. It's wrinkled. This I have made using foil paper. And the next one I have used is sandpaper. Again, sandpaper will also show you. You can see it. Again, it is rough. The surface is rough. It's not smooth. It's rough. Okay. Next one is woody surface made by wood. You can see woody is smooth. There is no bumps on the surface. There is no bumps. It's a smooth surface. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have waves. Wavy. You can see the wavy structure. It's like a wave. Okay. That's why called wavy structure. Then we have a shiny structure, shiny or metallic structure that is shown in this CD cover, the CD. We have is a very smooth texture, very smooth texture, and soft also, soft. It is cotton, smooth and soft cotton. And the next one we have bubbly. I call this bubbly and bumpy because it has small bubbles in it as well as it is bumpy. So let's revise it one more time. Let's put him here. We have bubbly and bumpy. bumpy. We have woody, made with wood. We have soft, made with cotton. We have shiny, made with a metal CD, shiny or metallic. We have wavy, waves forming a wave-like structure. We have rough. We have leafy with the leaf-like structure. We have frizzy or fuzzy. We have wrinkly, having wrinkles. We have lacy, and we have silky. So a few textures that you can also show your little one, explain to him, and also make him find similar examples from the surroundings around him. I hope you had fun in this video like I had, explaining to my little ones the different textures. If you like the video, share and subscribe with your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.